For over half a century, Nissan Forklift has been manufacturing lift trucks to serve a variety of material handling needs. From heavy outdoor operations to manufacturing and warehousing, Nissan's reputation for producing the finest material handling equipment with the lowest cost of ownership is well known in the industry and by our customers around the world. In Nissan's pursuit of extending our breadth of product offerings to meet growing customer demands, Nissan will be adding a new series to its AC family of trucks in the spring of 2009. Designed from the ground up, the Platinum SCX series of stand-up counterbalance trucks will be available in 3 models ranging from 3,000 to 4,000 pound capacity. A compact 3,000 pound capacity model, ideal for better maneuverability in narrow aisles, will also be available. These powerful stand-up electrics provide an excellent alternative to sit-down riders in situations where operators are frequently on and off trucks or in and out of semi-trailers. Its compact wheelbase and dual-traction motors allow it to turn in its own length for excellent maneuverability even in tight aisle racking. Nissan's legacy of quality and performance lives on in the new SCX, offering users the perfect balance of features designed to benefit the owner, operator, and the environment. Incorporating the latest technology available, the SCX series includes a 100% AC system. 2 independently controlled AC drive motors and drive units have been specifically designed to optimize system integration between controller and motors through a continuous feedback system. The effect of this is greater acceleration, producing industry-leading travel speeds, both loaded and empty, for maximum productivity. And because the SCX uses AC technology in both its drive and pump motors, these models use fewer wear items like brushes and springs. They also employ a single main contactor, resulting in longer service intervals and reduced maintenance expenses. But when scheduled maintenance is required, the SCX provides exceptional access through its top and front panels. By simply removing a few bolts and detaching the panels, the service technician will have all the room that's needed to get to most of the truck's critical components for servicing. Maximizing uptime is critical to achieving productivity goals set for your operation. Constantly being in tune with the machine's proper functioning is one way to stay ahead. With each startup, the SCX begins an automatic self-check to ensure all systems are running correctly and displays the truck's status to the operator or service technician. The dual AC2 master is the main processor. It communicates with and monitors the other controller components using CAN bus signals. Its smart LCD meter panel offers an intuitive onboard diagnostics display and access to the truck's error code history, making troubleshooting faster and easier for less downtime and more productive working hours. Because all of this can be accomplished directly from the meter panel, a handheld device is not required. The AC system used in the SCX series is managed by a Zappi control system. Engineered exclusively for Nissan Forklift, this highly reliable CAN bus network constantly provides feedback to the dual AC2 master controller. The AC system provides quick response at extremely efficient levels, resulting in less battery energy being consumed even though greater performance characteristics are achieved. As a safeguard, all motors and controllers have standard thermal protection. If a high temperature is detected, an LED will warn the operator and the truck's performance will automatically be reduced to a safe level, allowing the operator to continue working at reduced performance as the components cool down. If the truck continues to overheat, the lift function will lock out and travel will be reduced, allowing the operator to drive to the service area for cool down. This system promotes an efficient and productive operation while protecting key components. Like all Nissan engineered products, the Platinum SCX was created to offer its users only the highest value. Built on a steel chassis frame using a beefy mass design, the Platinum SCX series is ready to perform in rugged dock applications and high-cycle operations. Several rigorous tests were performed to ensure the longevity of its overall design and individual components. Since most stand-up counterbalance trucks are used to load and unload trailers, one endurance test required placing the truck's wheels on a rotating drum to simulate repeated driving over a dock plate. Both the front drive and rear steer wheels were each successfully tested over 1.2 million cycles to guarantee that Nissan's rigid quality standards would be met throughout the life of the truck. Because the needs of every operation, as well as the skills of each operator, are unique, customized performance levels can be easily programmed into the SCX. The truck's acceleration rate, top travel, and lift speeds are all adjustable to maximize productivity and safety within your operation. Customized and preset performance modes can be password protected to prevent non-authorized personnel from making adjustments and from operating the truck. Because the SCX series offers exceptional flexibility, you have the ability to match changing application conditions to their ideal performance setting in order to optimize the productivity of your operation. Up to 5 PIN codes can be created on each truck. Individualized program settings can be assigned to each PIN, depending on operator and application. The required program is initiated by simply entering its custom PIN code. The SCX also offers 3 preset performance modes, including an economy setting. This choice is selected when optimal energy consumption is desired. Slower speeds and more gradual acceleration provide excellent runtime per battery charge. Next is the power setting. With mid-range performance characteristics, this mode offers average speeds and battery consumption, ideal for warehousing or manufacturing operations in general usage. The last is high performance mode. Choosing this setting will give you the fastest speeds and most responsive acceleration. It's most appropriate in operations with long straight runs, heavy dock work, or even short quick shuttles. This mode prioritizes high throughput over optimal battery consumption. Many of the features incorporated into the SCX series are devoted to keeping the operator more comfortable and in control. One feature is a low 7-inch step height, ideal for operators whose daily tasks require repeatedly getting on and off the truck. The compartment's entry area measures 14 inches wide, allowing operators of nearly every size to easily enter the compartment and get into position. And its side stance design includes a gently sloped floorboard, providing a more relaxed driving position. To achieve a more comfortable driving experience, the floorboard includes a cushioned floor mat that floats on 3 rubber vibration isolators, effectively dampening the impact of riding over dock plates or floor joints. The operator platform also includes a dual pedal system with a brake release or traction pedal on the left and an operator presence switch on the right. Both pedals must be activated for the truck to travel and/or perform hydraulic functions. Requiring operators to have their feet properly positioned on both pedals reduces the risk of injuries caused by feet or legs extending outside the operator compartment during travel. Operator comfort gets a boost at every available contact point, with thick padding located beneath the operator's arm, back, and hip, and an optional cushion for knees and legs. A single multi-function control handle includes all standard functions needed to operate the truck with the exception of steering. The advantage to this is that an operator can simultaneously drive, lift, and operate an auxiliary function such as a side shifter. This offers a greater opportunity for achieving efficiencies over other models that require a specific sequence to be followed. The multi-function handle incorporates an ergonomic design to comfortably support the driver's hand while activating its intuitively positioned travel and hydraulic functions, producing smooth, deliberate commands to the vehicle. The SCX series incorporates an ultra-quiet hydraulic steering system. Powered by the truck's pump motor, its load-sensing valve gives first preference to the truck's steer commands, prioritizing fluid appropriately to produce smooth steering control with minimal effort. This on-demand system draws less energy from the battery and eliminates the need for an additional motor. With a useful steer position indicator and well-positioned compact tiller handle, the operator can confidently maneuver the truck on sharp turns using effortless motion. Depending upon preference, the SCX comes with forward steering as standard or can be ordered with optional reverse steering instead. The Platinum SCX includes an interactive smart display, providing the operator with valuable information on the truck's status and condition through its LCD monitor and built-in warning LEDs. The display presents the operator with a variety of data, including the battery's state of charge, chosen performance mode, hour meter readings, including key on, traction motor, and pump motor, as well as the accelerator level, travel speed, wheel position, and travel direction. There's also an icon which represents the truck's soft mode. While in this mode, the truck is operating with reduced acceleration, travel, and lift speeds. This icon also appears when the truck goes into cutback mode, which occurs when the carriage goes above free lift. This mode is activated by pressing the icon. The SCX offers its operators outstanding visibility. Wide canopy channels and an angled crossbar produce improved sight lines to the load at higher lift heights for increased operator confidence and safe operation. Its lower front profile offers the operator a clearer view to the fork tips, while its mast design allows plenty of forward visibility. While an active operation is always an excellent goal, promoting a secure work environment for your material handling drivers, as well as those in the surrounding environment, is also extremely important. To maintain this balance, the Platinum SCX series offers safety-enhancing features to ensure productivity is carefully achieved, including automatic speed reduction. This standard feature limits travel speed and tilt while the truck is driving with its forks above free lift, preventing the operator from unsafe operating practices. Startup sequence. As a preventative feature, the SCX includes a routine check each time the truck is started to ensure the brake switch is functioning properly. To initiate this sequence, the operator must activate the brake pedal before turning the key to its on position. The LCD panel will then communicate a command to the operator to cycle the brake pedal. Once the operator responds by releasing and depressing the pedal, he can then continue with operation. Furthermore, its neutral start function requires the operator to place the multifunctional control handle in the neutral position before the truck can move. This feature helps reduce the risk of unintentional truck movement. Like all of Nissan Forklift's Platinum models, the SCX was designed to offer advantages that benefit the global environment as well. Among the SCX series range of energy-saving features is a standard auto power off function. After a preset time with the key in the on position and no operator commands, the truck will automatically shut down. Additionally, if after 5 seconds no travel or steer commands are given to the truck, the hydraulic pump automatically turns off to conserve battery power. Another green factor contributing to enhanced battery efficiency and lower energy usage is its regenerative braking feature. This standard feature offers responsive braking and at the same time utilizes the truck's kinetic energy to generate power back to the battery. The mechanical brakes are not applied until the truck reaches 0 speed, resulting in longer component life. Combined, the SCX series energy-friendly AC performance means lower cycle times through faster acceleration and travel speeds, smooth directional changes, as well as superior steer and load handling control. With such exceptional performance, the Platinum SCX 100% AC-powered lineup offers the ideal solution for your busy warehouse operation, delivering performance and loading capabilities comparable to sit-down riders and providing features to combat daily fatigue factors. The SCX delivers more control and comfort for your operator and greater productivity for your operation. The Platinum SCX series from Nissan Forklift. Perfect balance achieved.